Geomagnetic storms, caused by disturbances in the Earth's magnetosphere due to solar wind and solar activity, can have significant effects on our planet's natural systems and our technological infrastructure. As we look ahead to 2025, here are the top 7 things to expect regarding geomagnetic storms. 1. Increased solar activity. The Sun follows an approximately 11-year solar cycle, with peaks in solar activity known as solar maxima. The next peak is expected around 2025, which means that geomagnetic storms could become more frequent and intense as the solar cycle progresses. Stay tuned for increased solar flares and coronal mass ejections that might lead to more geomagnetic activity. 2. Effects on satellites and telecommunications. Geomagnetic storms can severely disrupt satellite operations and telecommunications. As we approach 2025, organizations and companies that rely on satellite technology, such as GPS navigation and communications, should prepare for potential outages and disruptions. Innovations in satellite technology may help mitigate these risks. 3. Enhanced aurora activity. One of the most breathtaking effects of geomagnetic storms is the enhancement of the aurora borealis, northern lights, and aurora australis, southern lights. With increased solar activity leading up to 2025, expect to see more vivid and widespread auroras, especially in regions near the poles, giving enthusiasts ample opportunities for spectacular viewing. 4. Power grid vulnerabilities. Geomagnetic storms can induce currents in power lines, posing risks to electrical grids. As we near 2025, utility companies must remain vigilant and enhance their infrastructure to withstand potential storm-induced interruptions. Governments and regulatory agencies may also push for more robust standards to protect against geomagnetic risks. 5. Impact on air travel. Solar storms can affect high-altitude flights, particularly those over polar regions where the magnetic field is weakest. Airlines and air traffic controllers might implement new safety protocols or reroute flights during geomagnetic storm events, which could lead to scheduling changes and heightened passenger awareness. 6. Research and monitoring. Innovations in anticipation of geomagnetic storms. Advancements in monitoring technologies and data analysis will play a crucial role in forecasting and understanding solar weather. By 2025, expect to see new tools and techniques developed by research institutions and organizations focused on space weather to provide timely warnings and insights about geomagnetic events. 7. Public awareness and preparedness. As the science of geomagnetic storms becomes more understood, public awareness is likely to increase. Educational campaigns and resources will become available to inform individuals and businesses about the potential impacts of geomagnetic storms, encouraging preparedness strategies at personal and organizational levels.